Hello and welcome to the guest house. Well, you see, I'm still here, and I think that's good. I had so many people waving goodbye that I figured, well, I guess this is not right to leave the channel right now because there's still so many people watching what I'm doing, and I felt sorry for my viewers and myself to just quit and move away. So I will go on making videos here also about cooking and sausage making because I still like to eat. I still like to eat sausage, so there will be always something going on. This winter we going down to Spain with our motorhome. We're leaving early November. And taking a trip down. That's about 2,800 kilometers south where the sun is, and it's much better than here. I mean, it's still pretty good right now, but it will change pretty quick to rain and nasty weather. I don't need that. So we did that last winter also, and yeah, I liked it. It actually saves us money when we stay there in the winter. And well, there might be some more videos where I explain and tell you how that worked, and about our spendings and everything. So it might be interesting somebody else too. I mean, I know a lot of my viewers are from the States, and there are probably not too many coming down to Spain. Oh well, I hear there are a lot of Americans go to Portugal right now and immigrate to Portugal. Surprised me, but otherwise, or yeah, I understand why. People got the reason probably for what they're doing. So I hope you're staying with me on the little guest house. Maybe a little bit less food and sausage and a little bit more living. And I will show you actually my next level or my next chapter living. And it would be great if you're part of that. And this, I think, it's just adventure we are on. Life is an adventure. So just join me. And now I'm still busy with my box, so there will be more videos about my barbecue box. A lot of you already know what it's all about. And well, you see the little box. I'm setting up some new ones. So keep watching. There will be more new stuff, different stuff. I will tell stories about most of the things I'm doing. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested, or interested what I'm doing. Interested. Oh, okay. Sorry about my English. So, see you. Bye-bye.